Yes, students, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. Who is going to present next? Who is ready?
So can I listen?
Sayuj.
Yes,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, Sanuj, wait. I will.
So can I go after next after Sayed?
Okay.
Okay, start, Sayuj.
Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sayuj. I'm the CEO of TLY13, which is a fashion boutique or a fashion brand. Uh,
Sayuj, you can
so
show
we know
your
that.
face, face, face. Switch on your
Okay, okay,
camera.
okay. Sorry, sir. Yes.
Yes. Proceed.
Okay. So we know that a fashion trend never goes out and keeps changing, and people depend on the better quality products and products which come to a better price. So people focus on both the product quality and and the price when they buy. So our main aim is to provide a better quality products for both men and women, uh, with in a lower price range when compared to other brands. So mostly when people go to buy, so they when the, for example, when they go to buy a Raymond or Levi's or something like that, they know that it might be of a bit higher price. So our aim is to provide clothes and materials which are of good quality and as well as better price. Uh, this is the logo of our company, and our vision is to make a difference in branding, and to stay ahead of each brand every year, and to come up in the come up in the brand. Uh, as per the marketing view, what I plan is to create a website, so that where I can change my fashion brand into an e-commerce fashion brand, so that people could buy and view things online too, and to start further stores, like many more branches related to this one. Uh, and Coming to the investors, like coming to the burn rate, I'm not gonna invest much on products like capital intensive plans, and focus on investments on only related like reliable qualities. Like I'm not planning to invest completely on all the products that are available there, and only focus on investing on like products which are selling at that times. Like you can't sell things for in every seasons. Like there might be winter, summer, and you need to purchase things according to those uh, like trends. So only focus on investing things on suitable items that which goes for sale, rather than investing on all things. uh, and that is how I plan to reduce my burn rate, uh, and investors coming to the investors, by like managing a solid sales flow, so that I could get a proper like regular uh, flow with my investors, and get good quality products uh, through each trade. So that's it, sir.
That's all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your students are asking how to pronounce your brand name. They mentioned 1 3
It
TLY.
is why I'm basically from Kerala. I was born in Talseri. That is why the registered plate is of Kannur is actually 13. So that is why I put TLY. The TLY stands for Talseri. That is in
Talseri.
Kerala. So
Then why
yeah, yeah.
1 3?
That is the registration number of Kerala. That I mean Kannur 13.
Oh, you have mentioned from your
So
two-wheeler
I thought,
the uh, TLY
ah,
1
yes,
3. Uh, that is the
yes,
regional
sir.
branch. That's what they are asking.
Local.
Mm. Okay,
Yes.
the faculty members are asking, you are mentioning difference in brand name. What type of difference you are going to introduce? In other words, what is
Sir,
the unique features?
like when you take the other brands, you get quality as well as people depend on the price rate
Mm.
too when they take. So like few people when they go to buy, if at all they find a good thing, but then they're not satisfied with the price rate. So we focus on selling things at a good quality as well as price.
So that is your USP, but everybody is having same USP, no? How you are going to differentiate? Everybody is saying our products are
Sir,
good. That is the competitive trend. In this competitive trend, how you are going to manage?
uh, sir, we actually provide a better quality product
Quality,
that is
everybody will say
like
something you have to do for survival. What you will do for your survival?
that, so, so,
Hmm? Come on, tell me. You will have some dream, you know.
uh, sorry,
Yes,
no, sir.
why you are worrying? Huh? Now you are in Talakeri or in Bangalore?
Bangalore, sir. I'm settled
Oh,
here
you
now.
returned back. Huh?
No, I was just born there. I was brought up here.
Here only.
Yes,
Oh.
sir.
But your native belongs to Talakeri. Hmm?
Oh, yes. Yeah, yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, that shows the native brand names he used to have. That is
Yeah.
his plus point. Is no some unique feature I identified his own brand name, how he created the Chalaseri in brand name by mentioning big one, small three, like that. An image, how it is going to speak, that is his plus point. Another thing he has to mention clearly about the investments, that is the only drawback from his side. How he is going to have a nice investment and how he is going to manage with the help of the heavy band rate because all cloud centers are everywhere. Hmm? I don't know how he is going to manage. Yes, Sayuj, whether you are doing business now or your
No,
parents are
sir.
in,
No, no, sir.
no. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Your parents also here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Good, Sayuj. Nice
Thank you, sir.
presentation. Yes, now over to Kirtana. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Can you see me, sir?
Yes.
Uh, uh,
Yes, I shared to you.
yeah. So I'm just gonna present it orally.
Mm,
Uh, Mine is basically like a consultancy type. It is AWA.
mm,
It is a consultancy for employment for people who are differently able, let it be mentally challenged or physically challenged. Before
mm,
telling how I'll be doing this, I'll just tell what made me to come up with this idea or what made me to exactly start with this. When I was doing my BSc final year, I was internshiping in a special school where where I got opportunity to talk with the parents. So that time, two things fell to me. Two things were, hit me hard. The one is that they also are very much talented, but then the potential aren't put outside. The second thing is that they also need individuality. They want to stand on their own leg. So these two are hit me so much so that I thought of doing something for them. This consultancy, with this consultancy, they can be placed in the dream potential job they are. For example, few autism students, a few autism people are excellently very good in musics or poetry. Not just them, many other people, mentally challenged people, are really good at very many things. If, for example, few of them who are good in singing, I would recommend them to, or like I will put them in places where few of our persons who are going to start a cafe and they need a good singers and they're going to give a chance for a startup singers. I guess that is Ruby or Robbie, I don't know. Yeah, I would ask Ruby to help my student. I mean, help my person to telecast their talent. And when it came to fashion and things like that, Minu Bharati told that she needs she would and keep her footwear in a trend with the fashion designers, and she just knows that because we both are from psychology background, we don't do know that there are people who are very much talented, know actually how trends work. So I will what help her, no, in a sense, we'll make a mutual contract that my person will be working for her as a trendsetter or a fashion designer. And there was another person, Shreya. Yeah, she told that she will be starting a cafe, a new cafe, where she'll be giving a good taste for people. So I would recommend my person who has a very good cooking, who's a very good chef, making up a new recipes so that everyone enjoys the food as well as, and the person also does get employed. It's not just that they aren't capable and asking for employment. It's not like that. They are really capable. In the sense, they are even more potential, and helping them to put in a proper track. That is just I wanted to tell. And my other part would be agriculture. Those who aren't, those who have no much potential, like very below IQ, for them it would be agriculture. Uh, this agriculture, I would be joining my hand with my other friend who also has a plan to do with agriculture. She's from biotechnology field, so we both will be implementing things like that. And yeah, so and this agriculture will have three sets. One is for, I mean, the people who are really challenged people, and other normal people, and who are really interested. So I employment for all these three kind of people. My thing is that everyone, our agriculture is actually there from past so many years, but then how am I going to market it so broadly? Is one thing is that I would advertise my product by gaming, game things. So I guess many of us would remember the game called Takeshi Castle when we were young. Takeshi Castle, I guess majority of us would have seen that show and would have enjoyed a lot. That company was from Japan. It was a farming based company. They telecasted, I mean, they came up with an excellent game, so that their company name came up so much. Certain Takeshi Cast, because of Takeshi Castle, their company name grew, their income also grew very much. In fact, from their actual business plan, this game, the game TRP rating was really so much, and still it has maybe in YouTube it still has that much of weightage. So yeah, these things would be my marketing strategies, where I would, for now, might be gaming game and all three. What is it? Okay, gaming thing might be for future. Things might change according to that time. I would change my strategy plan. So that's also. It's basically to provide employment to all kind of people.
So you are telling about the multi-dimensional link with everybody. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Like
I
freelancer, you want to develop.
Yes, sir. I mainly told because I want to join hands with these people, because I strongly believe that when you have more and more contacts, you grow well. You self yourself grow and help others as well to grow. That's why I just wanted to join hands with many of them. Many of starting, I mean, entrepreneurs itself might be from our class itself, or that time whoever is there.
So my students appreciated that one, and you mentioned the differently abled persons. Huh? That is the vision how you developed. That is the very nice thing. Then another thing, faculty members mentioned that joining with others, how you are having multi-dimensional skill. You want to expect
Yes, sir.
this thing, the plus point. My question is how you will get acute with all the different type of skills, because your aim is to train up every in different skills. Okay, whether you will
Yes, sir.
learn or you will
Uh,
get the help from others.
Yes, sir. I would get help from others. First of all, I'm going to be a psychologist, a clinical psychologist, where I would be with interacting with them for at least for 3 to 4 years or 5 years, where I actually pick up people who are really talented. Then and I'm just going to grow it up, sir. First, picking up who are really excellent, telecasting them, and earning money from them, and then growing it up, sir.
So how you will market then? Because people may expect something unique from you. You are
Yes, sir.
telling more thing means how, what is the expectation?
Yes, sir, that is true. There are many who are excellently talented, but then marketing, so we can actually play with people's mind or feelings or things like that.
Play with the
When
minds.
you watch a show, it's actually Yes, sir.
Yes.
So when you watch when you on the TV, when you see a most TRP getting shows, for example, our star shows, South Indian star shows, they play with people's emotion. Even let it be dance show or any new comedy show, anything. At least they'll have 10 minutes of crying scene or something like that. So yeah, when you portray that these people are really suffering that this and all, they'll actually accept it. Sir.
So you want to play with the sentiments of South Indians. Hmm?
Yes, sir. If
It
they
seems
actually
like that.
agree, it is fine. If they really,
Yes. Your vision is good. I don't know, but the operation plan, you have to make it clear whether
yes,
you are able to start by 2030.
yes, sir. I would have started by 2030, sir.
Oh, where you are in, whether you are in Bangalore,
Bangalore, sir, Bangalore.
hmm, whether your parents are ready to support you in this area.
Uh, yes, sir, they will.
Yes, huh? Then you are God's gift. Huh? Your parents are ready to. Usually, parents will hesitate at least for 4 or 5 years based upon
Yes,
your
sir.
views only they will accept. Hmm?
Yes, sir. In the sense, if I get settled in my career, yeah, for
Hmm.
first 5 years, then they'll obviously agree.
Whether
First,
your mom
to
is
firstly help
nearby,
you.
huh?
No,
Whether
no, that's it.
nobody is showing the family members, huh? That is the uniqueness of this online classroom is we can also interact with parents and know the status clearly. Huh? You want to hide from your
So after so
whether,
many days, we are showing ourselves.
yeah, you are in home only now. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Kurdana. Good. Your vision is
Yes, sir.
good. I hope you are able to do it by 2030. Nice. Thank you, Kirtana.
Thank you.
Hmm. Who is
Thank you,
next
sir.
person?
Sir, I will do.
Yes, Parvati.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, ma. Hmm. Wait. I will make you co-host.
So can I go after her?
Yes. Who?
Angel, sir.
Angel. Okay. Hmm.
So
Yes, Parvati.
after so
I am unable to see your face, ma. Oh, yes. Now it is okay. Hmm. I think you are here in college campus
No, sir. Home
last
only.
week.
No, sir. No.
Okay. Hmm. Yes, start Parvati.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it visible?
Yes, you have started screen. Yes, good. You are the CEO of Young John Group. Oh,
Okay.
differently. Hmm.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. So,
Hmm.
I am Parvati KS, co-founder and CEO of Enjan Group. So, I am welcoming you all to my Enjan journey. It is nothing but a boutique fashion. So, my aim is to set up my Enjan boutique fashion as a fashion synonym at 2035. It will be a synonym for the fashion coming days. So it's a road to rig journey. So this slogan you will understand at the end of the slide. So I'm gonna show it's not a normal kind of boutique that everyone would do. It's nothing but the eco fashion. So I am here introducing you to the eco fashion. Eco fashion is nothing but uh, reducing the harmful effects of means harm we are reducing the harmful effects of the environment. So without harming the environment, we are upgrading the fashion industry. So I am choosing the sustainable fashion. So everyone is busy with their daily work, so they are not able to check whether what type of clothes they are wearing, the product, the fabric material that made up of. So they will be chance of getting a distraction or sometimes allergy issues too. So how I am going to introduce is that I will be considering the economic and the environmental aspects together. So coming to before starting to the content, I should say the farmers crisis. Because of them only we are surviving. So due to several issues, the farmers of India they are facing a lot of issues. Even now they are uh, standing up on the farm bill. The farm bill still is going on. It's a conflict right now. So some biotechnology companies or other companies, they may cheat the farmers by giving false promises. In that way, they will not get their profit. They will not get their daily wages. So this can be happen, and they will tend to suicide. So these are the criteria that farmers are now facing. So what coming to the cloth section, I want to tell about the basic cloth need, that is the thread itself. So what I'm planning is it's the casual one, that is from the fiber to fabric. So we are collecting from the natural, then that is the plant one, collecting all the materials from the plant, and then we are making the equipments or the products like thread from this plant or cotton, hemp, like that only. From the thread, we are made the organic or the eco-friendly dresses. This is the outline. By this way, I can empower the other farmers and the women in our society, the rural women. So in chicken curry works that are very famous, they are done by the rural women. So if they are not getting the job, means they will not survive. So I can assure that if I am starting this engine group, engine boutique fashion, it will be a powerful tool for the rural women too, so that I can bring back their smiles back. So these are the materials that our company provides: organic cotton, eco-friendly bamboo, hemp, rami, tencel, mud silk, linen, modal, jute. These are all from the natural plant itself, not an artificial one. So these are the outline of the material that I'm choosing from the plant material. So first one is the cotton. Here from the cotton, we are making the clothes according to our preference. In that way, bamboo, we use hemp, we use rami, we use tencel, linen, jute fiber, modal. So all these are from plant source only. This is the advantage of our company, and our very proud, and we claim that will be an eco-friendly and isn't not 100% or organic. I can't claim that, but it will be eco-friendly, sustainable fashion with no doubt.
Oh.
So
Yes, proceed, ma.
yes, sir. So for dyeing purpose also, we are using the eco-friendly one only, that we are using the roots, vegetable, berries as a source of the colors. So I won't be, our company won't using the chemicals that will also harm the environment. So there will be no irritations, no allergic reactions, so that the customers will be happy, our company will be happy.
Yes,
Sir, it's not moving, so.
no problem. You can tell, ma.
So 1 minute, sir.
Mm. Yes.
Yes. So this is the general outline that we are going to plan to dye our clothes. So for example, if you are taking yellow as a preference, we will be taking from the turmeric powder. So from the turmeric, we are extracting the curcumin. From that, will be able to dye our clothes. In that way, we will be uh, manufacturing different colors available in the market. So there will be no compromise for the color and fashion. So why us? Why should you people choose us? So mainly, there are problems which caused due to the clothes we are wearing, mainly rashes, allergic reactions. They're all part of the fabric that we are wearing, but people are not aware of that, because they're all heard about the all other allergic allergies, but they are not aware of the fabric allergies and the problems they have to face from the fabrics. So we are providing a UV resistant, high breathable, fast drying, hypoallergenic, non-irritating clothes to our customers. So these are the allergies that causes due to fabrics. So we want to take care of that too for the better future human economic accept. So not only that, now from the fashion industry alone, there are a lot of pollution that cause our environment itself. So we have to reduce that. From my if I am reducing from my part means it is a big thing for me. So if I am reducing 2% from my side means it will be a 20% from all around. So if I can reduce that, it will be a better for our environment too. So our aim is to guide to select the right type of clothes for your body type. So mainly people won't give more importance to what type of clothes they have to wear, what all they have to manage for the clothes. So we will guide you to select the right type of the clothes. Second was to provide non-irritating, skin-friendly, eco-friendly fabrics. So reduce the percentage of cloth related allergic reactions and infections. And next one is to provide every single woman an empowerment. And they also have the right to experience the best collection, not only the luxurious or the rich person, but also the rural woman who have no under the poverty line. They also have the right to wear the best collection. So it will be possible if I am doing this to provide eco-friendly clothing experience by not harming the environment that I already told. Then next one is provide recycling. So this is a major aspect of our company, that is recycling. So through recycling that can reduce the environment harm and can produce alternative products. So from the recycling itself, I can produce the packaging itself. So I don't need to pay extra wages for the packages. So I can, if recycle the products that company provide, we can recycle that and can form packages too. Next one,
Okay, ma, you can speed up.
okay. Eco-friendly packing services to minimize the use of plastic. So I already told, and provide job opportunity to the unemployed people. These are all things I want to hang out to make people aware about the harmful effects of the disease that caused due to the non-eco-friendly clothes and figure out the importance of eco-friendly clothes in our daily life. So these are the products and services we offer now. It may changes according to the market views. So these are the way I am going to reduce the burn rate. So first of all, I will be avoiding all the plastic packagings and plastic bottles so that I can minimize the wages. I can also, if we will be, one thing is they can bring the water bottles from their homes, or else we will be providing water in the cans. Then the next one is the recycling the clothes the customer return back to us. From that, we can recycle some other packages or other new products. And this is the break-even point of our company. And next one is the plant waste or other waste that our company is released. They can be reused as manures to our plant resources. This is the next one, right? Now, next one is the filtering and reusing the water that we are using. By this, these can be used for watering the plants. And next one is by offering 20% on discount on return clothes above 5 kg in the next purchase, so that everyone have the tendency to buy the next with that 20% discount. Next one is as a biotechnology student, I can use the tissue culture technique in these fields too, so that our company would reduce the fashion pollution and the earth will be happy, and this will be our I am expecting the outcome as this one. So this is the road to reg mission, and it will be successful in 2035. Thank you.
Okay, ma, good. Mm. So you have done a very nice job. Our students are saying one nice thing. When you are presenting, some bad sound are coming. Birds. Eh? This is a nice bird, I think so. Huh? They clearly noticed when you are presenting the organic thing. Huh? That sound is also from your background. I think the birds are singing in your home. Hmm? Where you are actually?
Sir, home only, sir, Trivandrum.
Trivandrum. Oh, nice. That is why
Yes.
some behind you birds are singing. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
It is in farmhouse.
No.
Ah, oh, then even cities now in Bangalore, we can't hear such type of singing sounds. Okay, good. And faculty members, they are saying the how you are planning with your boutique with the empowering the farmers. That is the plus point what you have mentioned. A nice one. Coming to my thing, you clearly mentioned the band rate, but how you will project your thing, how you will market
Sir, I will
your
conduct fashion ceremony, sir.
fashion ceremony.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
like fashion shows.
Yes.
Good. So you answered well. So nice presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Parvati, I think immediately after your education, you are going to do business or by 2030.
No, not sure, sir.
Yes, yes. Just sake I'm asking. Anyhow, only by 2030 or after that you will plan.
Yes, sir.
Good, Parvati. Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Who is the next person? Angel, ready? Oh.
So,
Yes, Angel. I'm able to hear.
so it's Mehra. Can I go next after Angel?
Oh, after Angel, Mehra. Okay, ma. I
Yes.
think only these two students today can present. Okay. Angel, now you can start.
So 1 minute. So am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
So I think my screen is stuck. Okay.
Yes, we are able to see your face.
So 1 minute. Okay. So good afternoon to all the upcoming entrepreneurs, all the budding entrepreneurs present here. Myself, Angel Saju, CEO and founder of Angel Thomas Image Consultancy and Soft Skills Training. So briefing about this consultancy deals with image management and soft skills training. Here we offer you personalized image makeovers for all levels of corporate, academic, and creative individuals. What we actually do is we study the company image, personality of the client coming here, visualize the resume of corporates, celebrities, students, or clients coming in from different backgrounds. So, according to their requirements, we'll make customized packages and train them based on that. Other than clients coming in, we also offer in office training where we'll be going to different organizations or different companies when the companies will call us. And then we'll be offering a 3-day program or a 1-week program as specified by the company. So most of y'all must be thinking, what is the need of image consultancy? Is it about fashion? Is it about styling? So I'll give you a very simple example. Imagine I am a person who is very well in academics and somehow managed to clear the interview of a very big company. But once I joined the company, I don't know how to present myself as per the company requirements. So first thing when you join, for example, an MNC, the first thing you would require is to groom yourself well, present yourself well, or dress up yourself well. You should have excellent communication skill. You need to be confident in whatever you do or whatever you say. Because you need to meet a lot of people inside the organization, outside the organization, or at international level. So if you lack confidence in that area, then it's a kind of negative point. So as per the company needs, you need to develop your skills and match the company requirements. So as a consultancy, we bridge the gap between individual and their success. So we develop the person as a whole, internally and externally. Most of the image consultancy services focuses on professional development, enhancing skills, training soft skills in a professional level. But I want to do it in a different way. I want to train people or develop soft skills right from the school level, because there are many other schools. There are big short schools who have different kind of activities, outdoor training programs, like they have a balance with their practical, they have a balance in their theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge. But there are other private schools and government schools where practical knowledge or their much importance is not given to skill enhancement or skill development. So as a consultancy, we would like to introduce outdoor management training program for such schools where students will help students to develop their interpersonal skills, their communication skills, and also help them to bring in confidence when they come out, pass out from the school in this competitive world. So coming to the marketing plan, we would be making a website and promote about our service on various social media platforms and distribute pamphlets. But other than that, I would like to use a snowball technique. That is, we may not know most of the companies in the city, in India, or around the state, or different colleges or schools. So what we would do is, we would be rendering our service in one school, and we'll ask them to refer us 5 other schools in that same locality where our service would be effective, or else they can refer other schools, and those schools can call us up and we can go there to do the training or other services. Then coming to how will we reduce the burn rate. So the first and foremost important thing is choosing the right people for the right job. Because in our consultancy service, it's not about one person doing all the job at one time. You need many people. You need a core team to work together. You need a stylist, you need a photographer, you need a soft skills trainer, you need a consultant. So rather than, hiring from outside, I would be first referring a few of my friends, because I have friends in the circle who is a fashion designer, who is a photographer, who is a soft skill trainer. So I would be referring them first, and if they want an assistant, they can call from outside, but then they'll only take up the interview and choose the right person for the job. Next is introducing minimum viable products. So as is a service, we'll be introducing our minimum viable service. So we will be conducting outdoor management training programs in colleges, in schools, also grooming sessions, because most of the colleges nowadays are waiting for placements, and students lack confidence in how to present themselves, how to groom themselves in an interview. So we'll be going to different colleges, we will be training them on how to do it. And then I think this was my presentation, and I think just like every other student who is aiming to start up their dream project by 2030, even I am hoping that I will be also able to open my venture by 2030. That's it. Thank you.
Nice. Angel. Yes. Yes, my students are asking why this idea came to you. Why? What is the intention?
Sir, when I was in 10th, I always like my school never encouraged in practical knowledge or more about developing skills. And when I went outside, like after my 10th, when I went to 11th and 12th in a different college, I could see the students studying there, their potential is very different than students passed out from our school, because the academics or the way of teaching or the skill enhancement, everything that happened in that particular school was different than from others. So there is a kind of gap there between students, even though we all are at that same age. When I was in 11th standard, I made this plan of starting up an organization, and we started an organization called Esprit D Corps, which actually we worked for 2 years. Yeah, we worked for 2 years. We went to different schools. We conducted outdoor management training programs. But then after 12th, most of the team which we had, most of them, they separated because they all went to different colleges. So the team was broken there. So right now I thought, I need to take that back, because I had started that and I need to hold that thing till now. So I had a plan like that.
Oh, nice. So the actual plan started in the school itself by joining with your friends. Huh? Nice, Angel. Okay, the faculty members, they are asking same thing. How you are going to mingle with others, because soft skill means we have to integrate with number of things. Whether you are having the potential to do alone or with others, tie up with others.
Sir, to start up an image consultancy and soft skills training, you need to be a certified image consultant. So I would be taking a 1-year program and will be receiving a certificate. Then I will be having the license to start up my own. And other than that, there would be other few friend circle who is in the same area. And then we would be contacting them. And when we'll be taking up the course, we would be also contacting many other professionals. So we will be all be in a contact so that we can have different trainers coming in up for the training session.
Okay, good. So as usual, in case of these type of ventures, number of hurdles will come, especially from pressure from government side or pressure in your own regional side. How you are able to defend all those things?
So pressure in what sense, sir?
They may say why you want to organize, why you want to do that one. Hmm? If your business is moving successfully, someone will ready to buy your organization. Okay. So whether you are having a plan to make them leave and make yourself succeed.
So I have started this organization. Why should I sell it to someone else? If I have started
Because
it,
there is a pressure from a political party. They are asking you to, we will take your school. What you will say?
sir, leave. Sorry, I didn't understand, sir.
Say, for example, what is the name of your business? Your soft skill training institute, you know,
Yeah.
the Angel Thomas Soft Skill Training Institute. Suddenly, one political party is seeing you. Hmm? Your training institute is doing well. They wish to take over your business. Okay. What will be your response?
So I would be determined to my own decision, right? I won't give it.
Hmm. Oh, nice.
We
Good
would also,
answer.
we would
That is
also,
what the determination need. Hmm?
yes, sir. So, sir, we will also help them in understanding the importance of the consultancy service, how it will change many lives. We'll also first, we'll negotiate them. We'll have a conclusion because they may be coming with a different point of view. We will keep our point of view first, and then we'll tell them what is the reason or what is the importance of the service.
Good. Why I ask this question means most of them will move out of the business when such type of hurdles are coming. But you are well determined. Whether your parents are ready to help you,
They are always, sir.
where you are in Bangalore only.
No, sir, Pune.
Oh, Pune. Oh, nice. So in case of Pune, these type of things are more, I think so, because
Yes.
your city is pharmaceutical city, Pune means. Good. I think very good, Angel. You have done a very good job. At present, you are in Bangalore or in Pune?
No, sir, Pune only. I'm basically from Kerala, but I'm settled here in Pune.
Pune. Okay, good. Angel, nice. Okay, nice presentation. We will move on to the next person. Maybe the last person. Who is ready? Mera.
Yes, sir.
So, Mera, you have to stick on the time very quickly
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll do that.
because we have to wind up by 4:30. Just 6 minutes remain. Hmm? Because I am also having one meeting
Yes, sir.
by
Yes.
4:30. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll do that.
Yes, your time starts
So I'm
now.
not sharing my PPT.
Okay,
Okay,
then.
sir. Good evening, everyone. Nothing brings people together like good food. My plan is to start up an evening cafe, the Bowling Pot, which will be located in Kozhikode, Kerala. Most of the people living in Calicut are foodies and they hunt for good food. So opening up a cafe in Calicut is a really good idea. The speciality of this cafe is that it only provides homemade food, which will be having its own authenticity. The main intention is to serve good and pure, tasty food. The cafe will also provide takeaway orders, and the ambience of the cafe will be cozy as it will give the customers a homely feeling. The main attraction of the cafe is that it only serves Malabari dishes like kalamakaya. Kalamakaya is stuffed missiles, and chatipatri, that is more like it is similar to lasagna. It is available in both sweet and savory flavor. So yeah, it's just few examples of Malabari dishes, and then along with that, I'll be providing varieties of chai like Sulaimani, masala chai, etc. The price will be very customer friendly, and I will have an artificially made dishes for showcase so that the customers eye will eat first and then their mouth. I would also like to provide home delivery service through online apps like Zomato, Swiggy, and Potato. And as an MVP, I would give the best dish from the menu as a combo, which will be offered to nearby people, friends, and family. And then I would ask for feedbacks and suggestions, and then make the necessary changes. I will use various online platforms and create website to advertise and promote my venture. And once I start the venture, I will provide an inaugural offer to the customers, which will attract them more. So, in order to take care of the food wastage, I will look into how many customers will come in a day and will keep a track on that and then plan accordingly. And even after that, if there is any wastage, then I will provide that food to the needy. So, in order to reduce the burn rate, I'll hire the best chef in town, and I would like to follow the recipe what my mom makes at home. And I will also make sure that I have all the necessary resources which is in need. So, yeah, thank you so much. That was it.
Oh, nice. But you forget one the dish, koli kod and alwa.
Yes, sir, that's very famous in
Because
Bangalore.
I, whenever here in management department, baby sir is from Kozhikode. He used to come, he used to bring Kozhikode and Alwa. That too, one in somewhat dark red color, another one
Yes,
equivalent to
sir.
orange color. Huh?
Yes, sir. There are like a lot of flavors.
Mm. Another interesting thing, why you selected Kozhikode or whether you are going to do business in Bangalore?
Sir, I choose Kozhikode because it's my hometown and I'm from
Oh,
Kozhikode.
mm. So you'll choose only
So I know
Kozhikode.
how the people are.
Mm.
Yes, maybe later I can start on the
You will
branch
join
in
hands with
Bangalore
your mom.
as well.
Hmm? Your mother and you will
Yes,
join
sir.
together.
Actually, she is doing.
Oh,
Yes,
nice.
sir. Actually, she's doing a small business.
Where
So
in Kozhikode itself?
yeah, I'll be.
Good.
So she's doing an online business.
Online. Hmm. So in nice.
Yes, sir.
First
Through
time.
Instagram and
Hmm.
WhatsApp.
Hmm. So first time hearing that even in
Yes, sir.
Kozhikode there are nice online. So like our Swiggy, they are doing like that. Hmm?
Uh, n- Not exactly, sir. She's doing through Instagram and WhatsApp.
Oh,
Like so, yeah. She just
oh.
started few months back.
Hmm. So you are ready to join hands with your mom and you
Yes,
want to
sir.
be a second generation entrepreneur. Hmm? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
nice. Nice idea, Mera. Whether your
Thank you.
mom will accept that one?
Yes, sir.
Be-
Yes, sir. Sure.
Because usually girls after marriage, you will move out of that one, then your mother will suffer. Huh?
No,
Whether
sir.
it will happen,
No,
hmm?
sir. No, sir. No, sir. No.
You are confident. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Your mother is there, you can call, I will ask your mother.
No, sir. She's not here.
Okay. Okay, good, Mera. Your nice presentation. Anyhow, I expect
Thank you.
your investment rate also. Mm. Okay, dear students, all the
Yes.
presentations are nice today. They started even from different places of India. You can see Pune, Kozhikode, Goa, mm, all the different places, Trivandrum. Mm. So as usual, in case of our Google form, you are going to mention only one presentation which is liked by you. Be clear why I am telling, because since some of the students they are getting poor marks in activity, you have to improve your marks in activity. I already told whatever you are entering in the Google form, finally I will make it as tally and mention for the activity mark. Now assignment over, seminar is going on, the activity mark is also to be considered. So be ready. You have to mention which one. You have to mention the brand name of the students presented. If possible, you can mention the name of the student. Need not mention anything. You have to choose only one which you like best. Okay. With this, we will conclude. And other students, they will present on coming Thursday. So the Thursday students will move on to Monday. We will see. I will put up in the WhatsApp group possibly on Wednesday itself this time to find out who are all going to present. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.